it's a garage. So I want to show it to you now. Come with me, come with me, come. You can't really see much though, it's like still getting built. And I was actually so excited that went ahead and bought a car to do in the garage before the garage was even finished. But that shit happens, so deal with it. Ta-da! So this is gonna be it. This is the start. Okay, so what we did is we were super sneaky and we let Mike know that the first project car that we're going to be working on is his most favorite car out of them all, the Audi TT. But not just any Audi TT, this is the Audi TT QS. It's a fantastic little car in my humble opinion. Mike doesn't like them. Anyway, we thought it'd be funny to get him to go pick it up. He's at the gate. Cool, see you now. Come on, come on. Michael!
Why are you guys filming? Oh, I see, okay.
You're on YouTube, man.
Very, very funny there, Chris. So this is all just to see me drive an Audi TT.
We know how much you love them.
No, man. It's a fucking hairdresser's car, dude. Now, I'm genuinely pissed off. I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm thirsty, and I still have to drive this today. Okay, show me around the car. Okay, what does this thing have? What are you going to do with it?
Okay.
Okay, well, I know what it has. It has problems. Look.
What's that? That'll buff out.
Come on, Chris. Seriously.
It's tiny.
Okay, this does not line up.
No, it doesn't.
And this is not the only one either. There's a lot of work that we have to do here. A lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of money. And it's still going to look like crap.
I'm ready for it. And over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to transform your opinion of the...
This is still a joke, okay? We are not actually using
No, we are. This is the one.
Okay, alright. Okay.
This is the one. We have...
The steering wheel's falling apart. I mean, it like from here, it looks decent. But Chris, I mean, if you hold it, it's like all that stuff comes off. What is it actually? Suede.
Alcantara.
Alcantara. Whatever. Fuck that.
These are Recaro racing seats. Racing seats. You know how many people want those in their car?
What music do you listen to? Tribute to the poets.
That is not mine.
It's not yours.
It's not mine. It came with the car.
Okay, alright.
It's now ours.
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 I'm gonna
That's our
to the
music
poets.
now.
This car's an insult to poets all across the globe.
Right.
No back seats, as one would expect.
Can we move along to some of the features?
Yes, we most definitely can. In a normal Audi TT, and it's got back seats, right?
Right.
Doesn't this hit their head?
That's because there's no one meant to be sitting there.
Yeah, but I mean, why put seats there?
It's for your veggies.
Yeah. There's even a warning here.
Achtung.
It is going to hit the head of the person there, but there's no seats there, so we're cool, right?
You got to Achtung when you're sitting there, man.
Does it have a spare wheel, Chris?
It doesn't.
Okay.
But what it does have is this really cool plastic cover, and underneath here
is amazing.
Is the tools to remove your spare wheel.
You're not really selling this car to me, are you? I mean,
I don't have to. It's so great.
Okay, what's next? You know
that's real aluminium.
Oh really? Okay, I thought you just got it from Auto Style and just like plucked it on.
Real
like a
aluminium. Let's have a look at what's inside the engine bay.
It is an engine, Chris.
KO4 turbo.
Yes.
Stock 1.8 turbo TT, and the TT doesn't stand for dual turbo.
You mean twin turbo?
Yes, that too.
Okay.
What does it stand for?
Truly trash.
Yeah, what does it stand for, Mike?
It is a motorbike vintage race, something touring. I can't remember.
Well, whatever it is, it looks good.
Put it in the comments so Chris can find out what he's actually bought here. Look, okay, these wheels are actually quite nice, I will admit that. Can you picture them black with like a chrome rim around them?
Absolutely.
Is it?
Absolutely.
Really?
Absolutely.
And what about all of these?
We'll get that fixed up.
Because the previous owner just doesn't know how to drive?
Maybe. Okay. We'll get that all fixed up. It'll be brand new. I think we're going to convert you.
Chris, it's gonna take a lot of convincing. Seriously. It's gonna take a lot.
I think you're going to want to take this car and you want to sell your car.
Alright, we'll give it a shot. Okay?
That's what I like to hear.
Alright. We'll try.
Okay, great.
It's gonna be a depressing couple of weeks.
So we'll see you next week then.
What do you mean?
Thanks.
Can you just unlock?
He doesn't really like the car, so we're just gonna leave him here.
Chris! Chris! Can I grab the key, Roscoe? Roscoe?
Sorry, you gotta go.
Roscoe! Will you be my friend? After a couple of weeks had gone by, I almost completely forgot about the TT. But just then, out of nowhere, Chris walks in the office looking a little bit more excited than usual.
Yeah, we need to change those watermarks.
Hey guys.
Mr. Chris!
How's it?
What you doing?
There's cameras in our face.
Yeah, how busy are you right now?
I'm not busy, we're going through the images.
What?
Excellent, I want you to take this car to the SXdrv Garage.
Now?
I'll give you an hour.
Alright.
So I'll see you there.
Okay, cool. Okay, what car is it?
It's your favorite car?
RS4?
No.
RS5?
Next favorite.
Alright.
It's your ultimate favorite, actually.
It's a TT.
It certainly is. So I'll see you there.
Seriously? I am not looking forward to this. You know, I mean, like, I really thought that first segment that we actually shot with the TT was like too harsh, it was a fail. Now we have to do this whole thing over again. Oh wow, look at this thing. The wheels are painted black. Very good taste. You know, they're saying that they say you can't polish a turd. Oh, I remember this site. There you are. This ow. There's one thing I can say. That's an improvement. Fuck! Well, let's do this then. Now there's a noticeable difference there. It feels a lot better as opposed to the Alcantara steering wheel. It works! Okay, well let's go for a drive. I cannot believe that this is the same car. It is phenomenal. Not just visually, but just the performance side. I don't know what Chris has done to this thing, but it literally feels like a completely different car. And bringing it back to basics, this is an Audi TT QS. It's a Quattro Sport limited edition where they only made 800 of them. So statistically that actually makes it more rare than a Lamborghini Diablo.
what this actually is, it's a proper driver's car. One of those cars where you are going to struggle to keep it running, you are going to get frustrated with it, but when that day comes and you get a chance to take it out on the open road, it's going to bring the biggest smile to your face. There is one big problem though, and that's a big problem. I have to admit to Chris that I was wrong. I love this car.
Mikey, take a seat in my office.
Ah, thank you.
Right, so now you need to be honest.
Honest.
Honest, the honest truth. How was the drive?
It's my best quality about me. I'm always honest. How was the drive?
Yes, how was the drive?
Honesty.
Honestly.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
It was brilliant. It was really, really, really good. It feels like a completely different car. I don't know what you've done to the thing. Tell us.
A whole bunch of stuff.
Whole bunch of stuff.
Whole bunch of stuff.
And
It's actually, the list is so long I don't even want to mention it.
And you obviously did all of the work by yourself right here.
Don't be ridiculous. I had a team of professionals assisting me to get it to where it is.
Yeah,
There
thought so.
There is no way I would be able to do what has been done to this car. Look, it turned out to be one of those cars that the more that you do, the more that you find out that you need to do.
Oh, I see,
And
yes,
then
yeah.
there was a certain couple points where I was thinking, oh shit, what are we doing? Maybe we should stop. But I think it's been worth it. I think that everything is kind of, for me anyway, it's turned out exactly how I'd want it to be. So,
Dude, it is honestly incredible. Well done.
so you're saying that you're going to buy me a beer?
I'll buy you 5.
Okay, good. Okay, well then job's done. Thanks, man.
Cool, let's go home. Bye-bye, TT car.